Your kitchen might feel chaotic because you don't own these must-have Amazon gadgets. Clever, practical tools that instantly bring order and efficiency to your space. From smart storage solutions to cooking helpers, they make every task smoother. All product links are in the description below. Running out of eggs when you're mid-recipe? Not anymore! This double-layer egg drawer holds up to 32 eggs and makes it super easy to see exactly how many you've got left. Each egg gets its own groove, so there's no rolling, bumping, or cracking. There's even a built-in time scale so you can keep track of freshness. Stack it, slide it, and keep your fridge neat without wasting space. Sometimes you just need the temperature fast, and this little gadget does it almost instantly. The moment you place the probe in your food, it gives you a super precise reading so you know exactly when your meat is ready. The screen flips automatically, making it easy for you to see no matter how you hold it. It's fully waterproof, simple to clean, and even wakes up when you pick it up. A smart, reliable tool for any kitchen or grill. Baking gets a little more fun when your tools are this colorful. These reusable silicone cups let you make cupcakes, muffins, jellies, and mini treats without worrying about sticking. You just bake, pop them out, and the shape comes out perfect every time. They handle hot ovens, cold freezers, and everything in between. And since they're washable and reusable, you'll save money while cutting down on waste. Making breakfast doesn't have to feel like a race. This 2-tier steamer lets you cook veggies, rice, seafood, and eggs all at the same time. You get simple digital controls, plus a timer that lets you schedule your meal, and a warm mode that keeps food ready for hours. 5 cooking programs take the guesswork out of everything, from slow cooking to perfect eggs. Washing rice doesn't have to be messy. This smart bowl has a fine built-in strainer that lets water drain out fast while keeping every grain safely inside. You get a sturdy handle that makes rinsing easier and lighter on your hands. It works for rice, beans, pasta, and even small fruits or veggies. And after you're done, it cleans up quickly and fits right into any modern kitchen setup. Cutting watermelon just got way more fun. This clever windmill slicer glides through the fruit and instantly turns it into neat, bite-sized cubes with a gentle push. The rounded, non-sharp edges keep your hands safe while the stainless steel blades do the work. You get a comfy handle that makes slicing smooth and easy. And when you're done, just rinse it off and toss it in your bag for picnics, parties, or quick snacks at home. If you've ever wished your cooking had a magic mist button, this little sprayer is pretty close. It turns your favorite oil into a fine, even spray that lands exactly where you need it. You get better control, less mess, and less wasted oil. It works for air frying, grilling, baking, salads, pretty much anything you cook. The glass bottle is sturdy, leak-proof, and easy for you to refill and clean. Small bakes deserve their own little spotlight. These mini silicone loaf pans let you whip up tiny breads, cakes, and even meatloaf without the usual sticking or scraping. The flexible design makes each loaf pop right out with barely any effort. They handle everything from freezing temps to hot ovens, giving you tons of options. And cleanup is easy since you can rinse them or toss them straight into the dishwasher. Turn your air fryer into a mini vertical grill with this Skewer Rack set. The rack holds up to 30 skewers, letting hot air reach every side for perfectly cooked kebabs, wings, and drumsticks without flipping. It comes with a handy basting brush to add sauces as it cooks. Made of sturdy stainless steel, it's easy to clean and works with most air fryers, perfect for family meals or weekend cookouts. Make cleaning your air fryer almost effortless with these reusable silicone liners. They catch grease while letting hot air circulate for evenly cooked food. The special drainage system keeps oil away from your meals, so everything comes out crisp and delicious. When not in use, they fold flat for easy storage, and the side handles make lifting them out simple. Heat safe, durable, and versatile. Perfect for everyday cooking. If you want to keep your air fryer cleaner without adding extra work, these collapsible silicone liners make a big difference. They catch grease, protect the basket, and rinse clean in seconds. The raised drainage pattern pushes oil outward so heat reaches your food more evenly. When you're done, they fold flat to save space, and the side handles make lifting them out a breeze. Sturdy, heat-safe, and great for multiple appliances. They're an easy upgrade for everyday cooking. Meal prep has never been this organized. This all-in-one station gives you a deluxe cutting board, 8 essential tools, and 14 airtight containers to keep ingredients ready and mess-free. Scraps slide straight into built-in bins, while everything stays firmly in place on the non-slip surface. There's even a tablet stand so you can follow recipes hands-free. Breakfast gets an instant upgrade with this smart touchscreen toaster. You tap the display, choose your bread type, and watch the countdown timer so you know exactly when it'll pop. Wide slots handle everything from bagels to waffles, and each side has its own controls so you can toast differently for everyone. 6 shade levels let you pick anything from lightly warm to deep and crunchy. Hot pans don't have to mean hot hands. These mini silicone mitts slip on quickly and let you grab baking trays, plates, and pots without feeling the heat. The open mouth design fits either hand, and the textured inside gives you a steady grip, even on slippery utensils. They handle everything from boiling water to frozen dishes. Easy to wash, easy to store, and always ready when you need a quick grab-and-go heat protector. Cooking for the whole family just got a lot easier. These dual basket racks turn your air fryer into a 4-level cooking station. You can crisp, bake, reheat, and dehydrate all at once, so you're not standing around waiting for batches to finish. The open design lets hot air move freely, giving you even results on every layer. And the disposable liners keep cleanup simple. Just lift, toss, and you're done. Some tools just make cooking feel smoother, and these heat-resistant tongs do exactly that. The silicone tips grip everything from tiny ingredients to heavy cuts of meat without scratching your pans. They feel steady in your hand thanks to the slip-resistant handle, and the stainless steel frame gives them real strength. When you're done, pull the lock to keep them compact and toss them in the dishwasher for an easy reset. If you're tired of scrubbing baked-on crumbs out of your air fryer, these disposable foil liners make life so much easier. They keep the basket spotless, hold their shape under high heat, and let you lift food out without sticking or tearing. Perfect for quick cleanup, oven use, grilling sessions, or even steaming. Just drop one in, cook, and toss it when you're done. Here's a simple trick to make cooking feel way smoother. This nonstick spray keeps food from clinging to your pans, so you get perfect results and super easy cleanup. Just one quick mist helps you cook without heavy butter or messy oil. It works great on skillets, baking trays, and anything you use every day. Safe ingredients, 0 calories, and a clean finish. Everything you need for stress-free cooking. Opening jars and bottles just got way easier. This 7-in-1 tool handles everything from cans and bottles to wine and large jar lids. Its retractable gears grip snugly so nothing slips. and the ergonomic handle gives you extra leverage, even if your hands are weak. The built-in magnet lets you stick it on the fridge for quick access. Compact, handy, and perfect for anyone who wants to save time and effort in the kitchen. Here's a fun way to make perfect little treats without any fuss. These silicone molds give you 7 neat cups for egg bites, muffins, cheesecakes, whatever you're craving. The flexible design means you can push from the bottom and pop each piece out without breaking it. You can use them in your oven, air fryer, microwave, or freezer. They clean easily, hold their shape, and help you bake like a pro with almost no effort. Ever try grabbing a hot dish with a towel and instantly regret it? This heat-safe plate clip solves that problem. It grips bowls and plates securely thanks to a textured, non-slip surface, and the insulated handle keeps your hands protected. It's sturdy, easy to control, and perfect for lifting anything steaming hot from pots, steamers, or trays without the usual juggling act. Perfect for everyday kitchen use. Say goodbye to scrubbing your air fryer basket with these handy disposable liners. They fit perfectly in most 5 to 8 quart baskets and handle heat up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit without tearing. Non-stick and grease-proof, they keep food from sticking while letting air flow for crispy results. Made from food-safe, BPA-free paper, they don't change the taste of your meals. Use, toss, and enjoy easy cleanup every time you cook. Desserts always feel fancier when you serve them right. These little porcelain cups are perfect for creme brulee, soufflés, puddings, or any tiny treat you want to bake. They handle high heat like champs, so you can move them from oven to table without worry. You'll love how they stack neatly in your cabinet and how easy they are to clean. Simple, classic, and ready for anything you want to whip up. Cooking gets a whole lot easier when you know the exact temperature in seconds. This instant read thermometer gives you fast, accurate results, so you never overcook or guess again. The screen lights up and rotates automatically, making it easy for you to read from any angle. It's waterproof, tough, and simple to use with just one button. Slip it in your pocket, and you've got a dependable kitchen helper for every meal. Here's a kitchen upgrade you'll use every single day. This over-the-sink board gives you a sturdy cutting surface and a collapsible colander in one smart design. You can rinse, drain, and chop without moving back and forth, making meal prep way faster. The non-slip edges keep everything steady, and the basket pops out and folds flat when you're done. Simple to use, easy to clean, and built to save you space. Keeping your wine perfectly chilled just got effortless. This insulated sleeve locks in the cold for hours, so your bottle stays frosty from the first pour to the last. You just twist off the top, slide your chilled bottle inside, and you're good to go. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it great for picnics, patios, or celebrations. No condensation, no mess, just crisp, cool sips wherever you like. Here's a simple tool that instantly makes your air fryer more useful. This 5-slot rack holds slices of bread upright so they toast evenly without sticking together. You can also use it for cooling fresh bakes or organizing small foods while they cook. The smooth steel design is sturdy and gentle on your air fryer basket. And since it comes ready to use, you just set it in place and start cooking. Wish you could grill indoors without filling the whole place with smoke? This electric grill solves that with a built-in system that pulls smoke away as you cook, giving you that outdoor flavor right at home. You can adjust the heat with a bright LED display, making it easy to get perfect results. Swap between a grill plate or a griddle depending on what you're craving. Ready to make snack time way more fun? This rotating pedal box opens like a blooming flower, giving you neat little sections for nuts, candy, dried fruit, or anything you like to munch on. Just twist the top, and each pedal slides out smoothly. You even get a built-in phone holder so you can snack while you watch. It's sturdy, non-slip, and perfect for keeping treats organized and easy to reach. Want to cook more in your air fryer without crowding the basket? This 2-pack stainless steel set is a perfect solution. The baskets and trays let you grill, bake, or crisp multiple dishes at once, making family meals or party prep easy. They fit your oven air fryer perfectly and handle everything from meats to veggies. Durable, easy to clean, and ready for everyday use. Pasta nights just got way easier. This microwave cooker lets you boil noodles without a stove, spills, or a sink full of pots. Just add pasta and water, pop on the vented lid, and let the microwave handle the rest. When it's done, the same lid works as a strainer so you can drain in seconds. It even has measurement rings inside, making it almost impossible to mess up your portions. Who knew prepping veggies could feel this effortless? This electric grater and slicer takes over the tiring chopping for you, turning cheese, cucumbers, or potatoes into perfect slices with just one touch. You get 4 interchangeable blades, so you can shred, julienne, or make fun wavy cuts in seconds. The wide chute even fits whole veggies, cutting your prep time way down. Ever wish you could slide your air fryer around without dragging it across the counter? This heat-resistant pad makes that super easy. It absorbs the heat your appliance gives off and doubles as a smooth glide base so you can pull it forward, tuck it back, or reposition it whenever you need. It's simple to clean, cuts to fit your setup, and keeps your countertop looking fresh. Craving a movie night snack that feels extra fun? This stovetop popcorn maker turns plain kernels into a giant fluffy bowl in just a few minutes. You heat it up, crank the handle, and the built-in spinner keeps every kernel moving so nothing burns. It works on pretty much any stove, so you can use it wherever you cook. And cleanup is a breeze. Just let it cool, rinse it out, and you're ready for the next round. Breakfast just got effortless. This 2-section omelet maker cooks 2 fluffy omelets at once without any flipping or mess. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and indicator lights tell you when it's ready to go. You can also make frittatas, pizza pockets, or even vegan patties, all in one compact, space-saving appliance. Fast, reliable, and perfect for busy mornings or creative cooking. Keep your counters and tables safe in style with these colorful silicone trivets. They protect surfaces from hot pots, pans, and dishes while staying firmly in place thanks to the non-slip honeycomb design. Flexible and heat-resistant, you can also use them as spoon rests, jar openers, or coasters. Dishwasher safe and easy to hang for storage, these multi-purpose mats are a simple way to make your kitchen safer and more organized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.